The truth, as in, asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, uPatrick wabona intombi washela. uLindsay, uLindy went on a first date with uPatrick, a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, kona lokho. After that, uLindy waqoma. After years and years of waiting, uLindy finally got what she was waiting for. uPatrick decided ukuthi, no, Lindsay, will you marry me? Umakoti ungowethu. uLindy wavuma, and they lived happily ever after. Seeing ukuthi they are now married, they decided ukuthi after 5 years they are going to buy their first teddy bear, uCory. And then after 3 years, they bought their second teddy bear, which is uDawson. And then finally, they waited 3 months to receive their third teddy bear, their final teddy bear, Colin. They were such a beautiful family. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and listen very carefully. One day, uPatrick had a day off emsebenzini. He decided to say, nope, he's gonna play with the teddy bears. So wathatha uCory wamphatha, wathatha uDawson playing with his leg, and then wathatha noColin naye now they were having so much fun, man, playing with their daddy, uPatrick. uLindy then decided to call uPatrick to the kitchen, and then she spoke with uPatrick wamtshela ukuthi, can you please go to the store? There are a few items engifuna uyongithengela wona that I want you to go buy. Ngomhla ka-24 January 2023, in the evening around 5 to 6 p.m., uLindy asked her husband uPatrick to go out and buy food at the restaurant because she didn't want to cook. The name of the store was E3V Plymouth. Understand ukuthi she also asked uPatrick to go buy some medicine thizeni at a store called ECVS. After that, the whole trip was gonna only take 25 minutes, and then Mesiabuya and continue playing with the kids. uPatrick did not want to go, but he had to, and so he decided to go take the wallets and go take the car keys and then walk slowly to the door. Once esefika at the door, the kids quickly rushed at him. Bambamba Colin wabamba uPatrick, nangu noDawson wabamba uPatrick. They wanted to go with their daddy, but uLindy wathi, nope, leave the kids. Vele uzobuya, it will only take 25 minutes and then you'll be back. So uPatrick hugged the kids, wabatshela ukuthi uzobaphathela ama-snacks, and then off he went. Once uPatrick was gone, the teddy bears went to go play until the teddy bears got tired. And then uLindy took the teddy bears to their bedroom. Each of them had their own bedroom. Yes. After that, after a few minutes, when the teddy bears were rested, uLindy walked into each one of their bedrooms, and uLindy just one by one. Let's go back as William Mover. Her name was Lindsay Clarence. She was about 32 at the time. She worked as a labor and delivery nurse at Massachusetts General Hospital. She lives at Duxburg, Massachusetts. That is in Texas. It's a coastal town near the beach. Understand, she was married to uPatrick Clarence. Yes, she bought 3 teddy bears. She bought uCory 5 years ago. Teddy bear yakhe yokuqala. Teddy bear number 2 was uDawson 3 years ago, and then the final teddy bear was uColin few months ago. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, remember uPatrick went to the store, akakabuyi esitolo. What happened exactly when uPatrick returned from the store? When Patrick came back, he walked into silence. He found ukuthi there was chaos inside the house and he was so confused. And then he went to the bedroom. He discovered ukuthi the teddy bear he bought 5 years ago, uCory, the teddy bear that he bought 3 years ago, uDawson, the teddy bear he bought 8 months ago, the fresh one, the new one, uColin. Abo. All of them. All of them. So obviously uPatrick called amaphoyisa, and right now there's an ongoing case. uLindi uyabuza ukuthi uyenzile lento, uthi no, angazi lutho mina, angazani nangane, bengilele, uthi she was asleep, wavusa uPatrick sekwenzeka into enje, akazi lutho yena, akazi lutho. So allegedly in court, uLindi is being charged with 3 counts of unaliver and also 3 counts of unaliver by Abo. She pleaded not guilty, uthi yena ngayazi lento akenzanga lutho. Her defense iloke ithi yena she was suffering from severe postmortem depression and possible postmortem psychosis. Is Aram senkosi ngelosi yokulunga. Ane.